Ali T. Ali. Your hand.
My hand.
What's that?
This is a gray and it's blue and it's little writing on it.
Too easy. What's that?
Black Panther. He's black and he has little gray.
Ok. Cho cái rát tế tiểu mà cho thuê cái rát tế chứ.
Coming.
Ok.
This is a Spinosaurus and it's black right here and little spikes and it's orange and right here is white.
Ok.
Look how much toy I got.
Im.
Ryan. But what is it though? Ryan. What color is it? Gray. Okay, what else? What is it? It's a robot. Okay, good job. No picking? No? How can I pick on this, huh? What's this?
Xăm bao cho.
It's my raptor.
Chị bỏ ra.
It's my raptor. And it's black. And right here is white. Good job. What else next? This? Yep. It's the Red Ranger. Color is it? Red.
Cho cái này sát tế à?
This is my T-Rex. Color is it? Green. Okay, good job. Give me some more. Close your hand.
Cho cái này sát
Ủa
tế.
Ali hợp phố à? Ủa Ali hợp phố của giống cho Ali.
Nào, tôi có Ali cho sát tế để mà cho thôi là Ali sát tế nè.
This is my little knife. From what? From what movie? Power Rangers. Easy.
Nè. Kim cho con điện thoại.
How do he know?
Cho sát tế tiểu.
Cho Ali hợp phố của giống cho Ali.
Đó, Ali cho sát tế mà cho thuê ra ha.
This is my sword. It has dragons right here. It's my sword actually. and there's like a dragon here, but I think it's gone. And my blood lost it. How many fingers am I holding? How many fingers are you holding? How many fingers are you holding? I don't know. Cheeky.
Tôi vào thôi điện thoại, ok.
Yes? I never touched any of your toys before, Benny. Wait. Okay, if you get all of them right, then you get all my robots. This is a tractor. It's a transformer. It's a transformer tractor. Okay. What color is it? Green. Okay, if you get all of these right, you get all my Robux. This is that I can breathe.
Tân nhà tao chưa hả liệu tập bàn chỉ bỏ ra của tôi chơi ta này.
Được. Okay, now do it. Now do it. This is a T-Rex and it's green and right here it's white. Okay, good job. Daddy, why is it doing this to me?
Nè nè.
Go. This is the Spikiosaurus. It's like the small one too, but right here it's white and it's
Actually,
here.
it's not white. It's sand color.
Yeah, it's sand color. It's Batman.
What's that?
Batman.
Huh?
It's
Spider-Man.
yes. Color is it?
Red.
What color is it though?
Red.
Red and what?
Black.
Huh? Huh?
I mean blue.
Okay.
Okay.
Daddy, what do you con no? It's a new one. Then you just strip now you're black.
Okay.
Because
Cậu tao tôi mất tà.
this is the brain in blue. And this blue like this is your head and this is your ear.
Okay, I go get more toy.
What's that?
This is a light and this is like stuff so you can put it and there's like a button in here.
Okay.
Actually just draw that it.
Cho cho anh đi.
For this one, you have to put it in your hand. Now for this one.
This one?
Yeah, put it in your hand. Fight! Okay, what is it? What color is it? Both of them. What color is it? Both of them.
One of them is red, one of them are blue.
Good job. Here.
Is this your car? It's a police.
Okay, what color is it?
Gray?
Job.
This is glasses.
Okay, I dare you to put it on. Okay, that's good. This one?
Cho nó tí tí anh đi mà cho nó.
It's from Jurassic World.
Owen.
Okay, good job. It's from a game. It's from like a sport, okay?
Ping pong.
Nope. It's football. It's from football. What color is it?
Orange. Oh yeah, because it steps like here and then
Yeah.
For an alley hand.
Yes.
What's that? Để tập buổi ở bông là cái gì cái chú có cái tay thấy mà không? What's that?
Oh, it's a T-Rex.
Nope.
It is one.
It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
It's a trans.
T-Rex luôn mà.
What color is it?
It's red.
Nope.
It's not red.
It's kinda red.
Orange.
Orange.
I don't even see.
Okay.
It's an old farmer truck.
It's an old farmer truck, and it's white, and just like a little sticker right here. And this opens.
But I taped it because they keep opening it. And the door is damaged because Ali and me was playing and then Ali threw it down.
Okay, that's it. Okay, Lilo. Good job. You guys do really good job.
They go on a 太透个么抖出来。
太逗了，安妮把按太上。哦，จะได้คู่แล้วเลยอ่ะโอ้แต่เราไอจะบอกกันเลยไหมอ่ะ Your eyes blur
Yeah, his eyes is blurry. It's like game.